Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So this episode starts off with uSibongile guys, usekhaya, uzama ukudla ukudla laphayana, ukudla kungeni-ke, you can see and it's understandable. Then u-anti wakhe-ke uNobuhle, she comes in. Then the scene just starts off with uSibongile ekhuluma esithi hayi siyancenga ma sizothini, kusho ukuthi maybe they asked her ukuthi ngiyancengeka ngani yami. And then uSibongile says ukuthi hey, I remain hopeful nonetheless. Then uNobuhle then says ukuthi yazi bengithi ukuthi ngifuna ukuchazela ngephupho that I had. Ngiphuphe ngisestebhusini ngehla ngenyuka kodwa angiyindawo kodwa like I was going nowhere. Then uSibongile ahleke athi hayi ma liyahlekisa leli phupho lakho ngathi yile ndaba kaJakobe eBhayibhelini. And then uNobuhle she stretches out her hand and then she holds isandla sikaSibongile and she's like umoya wakho nomoya wakhe uthi fanele uhambe uyogezwa mntanami. Yazi ekushoneni kambali ngamane ngakushiya ngahamba nje kanjalo. Kuzomela ukuthi sihambe ngani yami siye kwaNongoma mntanami. She looks at uSibongile. Usibongile is shaved now. You can see ukuthi uSibongile doesn't want to go kwaNongoma, so she's just keeping quiet, feeling awkward. Then Nobuhle says ukuthi mele siye kwaNongoma uyogeza wonke lamaphathi nizitalekiso-ke. She says khuleka-ke ngiyabona ukuthi unenkinga yokuthi like awuzukwazi ukufunda laphayana eNongoma. Akhona amanyuvesi maningi nje amanyuvesi kwaNongoma, asambe mntanami. I'm just like where uSibongile akayi lapho njengoba ukwenza now eXhobo and they just got back together. I don't see uSibongile going kwaNongoma, you guys. Next scene we see uNomfundo. She is at home guys, usefonini, and you can tell ukuthi whoever she's speaking to is really making her blush because listen, she is smiling from ear to ear. So uNomfundo is saying on the phone, and obviously she's on the phone, Olisi. She's like, awusimoshi isikhathi ne? Then Olisi says, awu phela indoda mele idle. Ngingubani ke mina ukuthi ngingabe ngiyodla or ngingabe ukudla from a beautiful lady. uNomfundo zathi ngiyabonga kodwa ke bengisengiphekile mina and like angithanda ukuthi ngichithe ukudla, that's why I'm offering you food. Then uGuy ke athi hayibo ufuna ungilethela umfudumeze, angisoze ngakuqonela ngaleyo nto. uNomfundo ahleke and she's like okay kulungile ke singaya with dinner. And then uOlisi says awuzweke so ithini address yakho. uNomfundo's like why? And then Olisi says ukuthi hayibo mina phela I believe in the old fashioned values yokuthi a lady uyahamba uyomlanda la ehlala khona when you are taking her out on a dinner, especially at night. uNomfundo ahleke, she's like okay kulungile ke number 9 Pine Street. And then uGuy says ukuthi well okay ke I'll see you later. uNomfundo's like okay I cannot wait. Then they hang up. uNomfundo was blushing. As she's blushing there, then she ingathi like akhumbula ukuthi ukhona umuntu bekumele amfonele. So she takes her phone, she makes a phone call. But her phone, she's like, hello, like kuyabonakala ukuthi lo muntu uyiphendulile ifoni, but the person on the other side who uNomfundo speaking to is quiet. So she's like, hello. And uPhetheni guys on the other side, and uPhetheni uzithulele. Then eventually uPhetheni guys she responds and she's like sawubona. uNomfundo's like Phetheni, why uphendula ifoni kaBoy? And then uPhetheni is like ubhizi ngezinto zomndeni. Are you satisfied with that answer? uNomfundo's like cela unikeze ingane yami ifone njengamanje please. Yo guys, one thing about uPhetheni, she knows how to press the buttons to get uNomfundo to go mad. uNomfundo will go from a 0 to 100 within a second because of uPhetheni. uPhetheni ke she just says nca anqaphe guys. uPhetheni just hangs up the phone. I'm just like uPhetheni did that on purpose. Laphayana uNomfundo guys, she's so stressed yokuthi like is ingane yakhe is he fine, why is uPhetheni answering the phone, izinto ezinjalo nje. I get next scene we see uNelly, benoThulisile, they are sitting kulela kitchen lab, guys, they are having and they are drinking some tea. Uthule is like, Gaibo, oh, wahleka wedwa yini manje? uNelly is like, yazi oh, abanga nje ngendlela abangijabulele ngayo kwaMkhize. Ayibo, angikholwa nje. Uthule is like, ayibo, ngathini kuwena? Ngathini ngithembe mina? Then uNelly-ke goes on to say ukuthi but-ke his sister was giving me attitude. Lalela, ngamlanda or face to face ngakhuluma naye. Mengiqeda ukukhuluma naye ngamshaya nge-face beat nje. Lapho-ke the way she was so happy nge-face beat, she started calling me esithi hawu sis Nelly, makoti wasekhaya ini. Uthule is like, we oh yima-ke you took i-makeup emzini. Like ngitheni ngoba ngithe ukuthi like ungayibaqi. uNelly is like, hayibo oh bengeke phela mina ngiye laphayana ngingalidwebanga nje ishiye. Bengifuna ukuthi bangibone kahle futhi-ke ingisizile ngoba nje nawe usisi wakhe like ngimenzile. uThuli is like, hayi cha, shuthi kukusizile-ke oh manje oh ubuyela nini-ke? And then uNelly is like, cela ukuthi ungangibuzi lowo mbuzo-ke, angeke nje ngize ngibuyele anytime soon. Bayahleka laphayana. She's like, amadolo abuhlungu nje. Laphayana uhambisa itiye uyakhokha, uhambisa ukudla uyakhokha. Wo, hayi like ngirayithi oh like amadolo amathini. She's like, kodwa-ke like engikushoyo is that Thulisile ungisize kakhulu, you helped me, amathiphu wakho wonke nje asebenzile. uThulisile then says ukuthi kanti mina ngubani Maneliza? Mina nje ngazi yonke into nje ejabulisa umama izala. And then uNelly says, hayi ngiyakuvuma oh, and then they are laughing them. Next scene uNomfundo, she's on the phone again, you guys. uLokhuzana, she's on the phone, but this time you can see ukuthi she's angry. She's busy saying ukuthi angisenandaba mina ukuthi umfazi wakho loyana ungijwayela kabi. How dare she humiliate me in broad daylight? Ngiyakutshela-ke njengaye, ngiyakutshela-ke manje ukuthi ngiyaya emzini wakho manje, and futhi-ke ngiyomshaya umkakho. I'm just like, Nomfundo. She's busy leaving a voice note for uNjengaye, telling uNjengaye ukuthi ngizoyishaya le nto yakho. She goes on to say ukuthi like angazange ngiphuthe ingane yami, akekho umuntu ozongiphutha mina ingane yami, like never, like ngifuna ukuthi akwazi lokho. Her rubbish. She hangs up the phone. As she's hanging up the phone, guys, she's preparing herself. She's about to walk out the door. Kusho ukuthi she is going there kwaDlamini. As she opens the door, guys, uMolisi is standing there, and he's standing there with a bouquet of flowers. And then Athuke uNomfundo, she's like, yo, Olisi. Then uMolisi is like, awusuka madoda, nasi lesi siphalaphala, a stunning, beautiful woman that shines as brightly as a star. Sawubona. Hey, uNomfundo is blushing there. She's like, yebo. And then uMolisi hands over the flowers to her. uNomfundo is like, thank you. And then uMolisi says, you are welcome. Next scene, we see uNelly. uNelly's in the laundry room kwaDlamini. She's putting clothes in the basket. Then iringi phone yakhe. uNelly aphendula phone. She's like, hi Gcina, mnganami unjani? uGcina uyakhala laphayana. She's like, angikho right. uNelly's like, how? Wenze njani? Oh, uGcina zakho umshado wami usuphelile Nelly. uVusi usenginikezile amaphepha edivorce. uNelly's like, how Gcina, kanti is that not what you wanted? Gcina uyakhala laphayana. uNelly's like, Gcina's like, yeah, ngisekhona ukuthi nje angikholwa that he gave up so quickly. Like akasazami nokuthi asilwele nje. Like Nelly, he did that silly dance, of wabiza abantu emsebenzini wakhe to sing and dance for uGcina. So she's telling uNelly ukuthi Nelly, he did that silly dance and that was the end of it. Sengaze alahli ithawula kalula kanje. uNelly's like, hayi bo Gcina. ugcina like yazi owesi-ke he brought the papers emsebenzini wami yazi uVusi uligwala as she's saying that she's opening the brown envelope that she believes are divorce papers that uVusi gave her. UNelly's like uyakhala yini then ugcina zathi angikholwa ukuthi wenze lento angikholwa ukuthi uVusi that's giving up on us nje kanjalo. UNelly's like gcina ukhalelani then ugcina like yazi one night wangitshela ukuthi uzongithengela umhlaba ngathi mina ngcono ukuthi angithengele iboat so sizotravelisha nje ngayo the whole world together. Like akakhohlwanga Nelly. That time ekasithi akakhohlwanga. Guys, in that envelope there's pictures of a boat. So angazi ukuthi if uVusi umthengele isikhephe guys or what, but there's pictures of a boat, of holiday vacations. Kusho ukuthi uVusi bekafuna ukukhumbuza ugcina ukuthi all the dreams that we had, the things we dreamt about, I did not forget. That's why she's like akakhohlwanga. Ukhumbula yonke into Nelly. He kept our dreams, all of our dreams alive. UNelly's like ngeke mina indaba yenu iyangicaka yazi ngoba ngathi like benisemathandweni ninoVusi. I don't understand ukuthi how did you guys allow things to get to this point. Unokhuzana-ke ugcina zathi angazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni. I don't know why we didn't fight for our love. Next thing guys, we see uVelephi. She is having a party guys. She's having a bash party ekamereni likaSibongile and uZama. That time lela camera guys lincane kodwa kugcweleni. uVelephi is like athi ngithelele, she's saying to someone athi ngithelele umthelele ibev laphayana, some alcoholic beverage. Then one of the girls there says mngani konje wenza yiphi course? uVelephi is like hayibo ngenza i-economics yindaba. Then ugirl athi hayibo Pho kwenzekeleni ngoSibongile ngoba phela bukuyi-room yakhe lena. uVelephi is like hawu kodwa imibuzo engaka siqedile ngama-exams like indaba uZama mekangena. She's like hayibo and then kwenzakalani lana ngicela ukuthi niphumeke. She puts off the speaker there kune-speaker laphayana. She's like cala ukuthi ningiphumele nonke nje. Then uVelephi is like Nkosi yami ke nakho ke, like the way acabanga ukuthi she's going to be president ngelinye ilanga lona. uZama's like nifunani lana cala ukuthi niphume out, phumani anathi phumani hambani ekamereni lenu. Then uVelephi is like Nkosi yami akuyona indlela yokuphatha ivakashi lena Zama. uZama's like ivakashi hayi kahle bo wena phumani sorry wesisi ngithe cala niphume. uVelephi is like ayi Nkosi yami yini kanti idrama yani le wenze njani? uZama's like wena ubhizi lana uyaphuza lana kodwa kade nje uSibongile ekufuna ezama ukuthinta efonini. uVelephi is like wena noSibongile nje ave ningibhora kwamagcina nje. If ningafunda nje to loosen up a bit, you'd enjoy life and live a little bit. Ayi nina ayibongeke. uZama buka nje kunjani la buka. uVelephi guys, the way she's so chilled that time, she's like kunedrama Nkosi yami ayibo. uZama's like thatha la mabhodlela hawu thatha malelinye laphayana futhi thatha nangu uVelephi angeke ngizodlala uVelephi mina hawu. Then next scene guys, we see uKhuzwayo usembalenhle. He's sitting with some girl. uKhuzwayo ke is telling le ntombazana ukuthi yabo njengoba uzothandana nami manje sizoya phesheya wolwandle mina nayo. unayo odi passport? uSamke walks in and she walks towards them. uSamke za Khuzwayo bengicela ukukhuluma nawe. Then uKhuzwayo says Samke awubona ukuthi ngibusy. uSamke says looks at the girl, she's like sithandwa sami bengicela bandla ukuthi usiphe nje umzuzu. Then the girl says okay, abephakama ke ugirl. Then uKhuzwayo says hayi hlala phansi bentshisilani ungayindawo ngiyabuya nje uyezwa ngiyabuya. ugirl athi okay ke. Then he walks over to uSamke. uKhuzwayo is like umthathu wakho ungimoshela impilo yami nje yonke into engiyenzayo wena ula uyangimoshela. Uyazi ukuthi like ngithathe isikhathi esingakanani to get that girl. Usamkeshe ngiyambona ukuthi hey, she's not okay guys. She's like ngidinga usizo lwakho. Impilo yami yamosheka. Ukuzoza manje mina ngingenaphi kwimpilo yakhe emoshekayo. And then usamkeza oh, usho ukuthi wena iyajabula ukungibona, ukuyibona nje impilo yami injena. Ukuzoza ukhuluma ngani? Usamkeza don't play dumb kuzwayo. Uyazi ukuthi mina ngiyazi ukuthi wena ungicebile. Ukuzoza namanje ngisabuza ukuthi ukhuluma ngani? Angikuzwa mina. Samke says ukuthi ngisenkingeni kuzwayo and wena phela umnganami ongangisiza. Ukuzoza kusamke mina ngisiyena umngani wakho and futhi I will never be. Usamke's like, awukodwa ukhuzwayo, like ngiyazi ukuthi awunayo inhliziyo embi, like abukufanele lokho. Then ukhuzwayo says, reap what you have sown, sis. Uyezwa, he walks off like that. I'm just like, usamke, they said ukuthi she's a bad girl. I guess sibona ama-bad girl moves-ke, ukuthi uzowenza njani ke manje. Hi, next thing we see uVelephi guys, she is making up Nomlu in Uzama and Usibongile's room. She's busy kissing there. They kissing one another. They taking off one another's clothes there. Uzama ngeneke. Abamuz Uzama ngene mnyango. She puts on the lights. Still they don't catch on. They still busy there. Uzama's like, Velephi, ucabanga ukuthi wenzani? uVelephi's like, wena futhi, yini manje Zama. Uzama then says, uletha kanjani umfana la endlini yami, Velephi? Phezu kwalokho, phezu kombhedo wasisi wakho, Velephi. Yazi if security finds out about this, mina noSibongile sizoba senkingeni engakanani. uVelephi's like, yazini, fana ukuthi she looks at uKhaya uMlu, she's like, yazini, fana ukuthi sihambe, like, siyeke nomuntu osibangela isicefe nje. Uzama then says ukuthi ngikukhumbuza ukuthi wena awusiyona i-student lana. UMlu's like, mana-ke, kanti awufundi la ekhaya, looking at uLokhuzana as at uVelephi. uVelephi's like, hayi, ungamlaleli lona, uPeter nje. Uzama's like, you're supposed to be back home le eKopo, looking after ingane yakho, but instead you are here sneaking around with boys. Oh, okay. No, sengiyabona. Wena kahle you want to make a sibling for uManqoba. Gathi yes, uVelephi. uLokhuzana uzama yimina, guys. The way she ngened uVelephi needed to be told ukuthi ayibo angazoziphathisa ingathi like she's a person onganangane. Imagine. UMlu's like, Velephi, unengane. uVelephi's like, Imamlu. UMlu that time he's walking off. She's like, Imamlu, cala ukukhazela, cala ungahambi. UMlu's like, hey, angifuni ukuza next mama, ungiyeke mama. And then uVelephi looks at Uzama and she's like, ikephi inkinga yakho wena? Yini uhlanganaphi ukuthi ngenzani nobani? Uzama's like, ikephi inkinga yami? Usho umuntu oshiye ingane le kubo. Uzolala nabafana ongabazi, sis Velephi, sis. uVelephi's like, yo, Nkosi yami. I'm just like, yeah, Velephi, you needed to be told. Next thing, uNomfundo and uKhaya uMxolisi, they went out on a date. Manje sebayabuya. They are back in uNomfundo's house. So uMxolisi is busy talking about his wife. uNomfundo telling uNomfundo ukuthi phela my wife, she died because of cancer. Yazi, my wife, she set the bar so high. That's why I haven't been married for so long. He says, oh, my wife was a good woman and in Eden, and I've just noticed ukuthi there's no good woman around like la emhlabeni. Kodwa, a week ago when I went to a vacation, I realized ukuthi hayi man, there are still good women. uNomfundo smiles. As she's smiling, she says, ithi ngikuthelela itiyeke. As she's about to pour itiye, guys, uNjengaye angene nje. Imagine uNjengaye, the audacity, abang guys, nothing abamfoneli, uyazingenela nje. Vele-ke kukwakhe-ke. uNjengaye just enters, uNomfundo aphakame, and she's like, Njengaye? uNjengaye just comes in. Asongingano, guys, and zakwenzahalani lana. Then that scene ends. Then last scene, guys, sisesibhedlela ibo uVuma, he's up, he looks good. uSibongile laphayana is pouring juice for him, and then uVuma's sister is there as well. So-ke uSibongile, she gives the juice kuVuma-ke. uVuma says, hey, siyabonga. Sibongile, cela ukuthi usinikeze nje ithuba lana sino-aunt wakho. I need to speak to her about something. Kancane nje uzobuya ubuye. And then uSibongile says, okay, baba, and she leaves. Then uVuma says, Mageza. And then-ke usisi wakhe athi, yini bhuti? uVuma says ukuthi bengifisa ukuthi ungibhekele uSibongile uvelephi noSangweni. Usisi wakhe athi, hawu Mageza, that's exactly what I'm doing nje. uVuma athi, hayi, ngiyakwazi lokho and futhi ngiyakubonga lokho, kodwa mese ngihambile. Ayibo, usisi wakhe ambheka athi, uyaphi? Like, mawusuhambile uyaphi? uVuma's like, hey Mageza, my life is becoming tiresome. My light is fading. Amandla angiphelele. Usisi kaVuma-ke athi, hayi Mageza, mina ngizokwenza njani ngoba nje ngiyakudinga. uVuma's like, uzoba right sisi, uzoba right. Kwaqala udeliwe, wangibeka kule ndawo, usamke manje ungibuyisela kule ndawo. Usho ukuthi uMbali nje akafuni muntu eduzane nami. Ngicela ukuthi uzitshele ingane zami ukuthi bengifisa ukulwa, kodwa kuphele wona amandla. Then usisi wakhe athi, hayi bhuti, bhuti, oMageza bayalwa, ingane ziyakudinga, nami uqobo lwami nje ngiyakudinga. Awukwazi ukukhuluma kanjalo Mageza, ngeke, ilwa bhuti, ngeke. And then the scene or the episode just ends like that. Guys, uVuma, I'm just like, uVuma, ayibo, umjolo is showing in flames. Ayibo sonke sadlula lapho where you thought ukuthi, hey, indlela inzima ngakhona lesi simo, you feel ingathi like, hey, so uyahamba kulo mhlaba. Kanti, guys, uNkulunkulu usazogcina. And uVuma, I feel like he mustn't give up like that. Kodwa aphume emjoleni, he must aphume emjoleni, afocus with life yakhe, because clearly he's not good with choosing good women. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.